Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit a Weebly blog post. Whether you need to update old content, fix a typo, or add fresh information to keep your blog relevant, this straightforward process will have you editing your posts in no time. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're on the site, log in using your Weebly account credentials. This will bring you to your homepage where you can manage all your websites and content. From here, look at the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Go ahead and click on it. This section houses all the tools you need to manage and customize your site. Under the Website option, you'll notice an Edit Site button. Click on this to proceed. If you manage multiple websites through Weebly, you'll now be prompted to choose which website you want to work on. Select the appropriate site from the list, and once you've made your choice, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click it to open your site editor. Now that you're in the editor, navigate to the top menu and click on Pages. This will display a list of all the pages that currently exist on your website, including your blog page. Locate and click on the blog option from this list. Clicking on blog will direct you to your blog page where all your published posts are displayed. This is your central hub for managing blog content. On the blog page, simply browse through your posts and click on the specific post you want to edit. This action opens the post editor, giving you full access to modify the content. Here you can make any changes you need, whether it's updating text, adjusting images, or refining your formatting. If you want to add more elements to enhance your post, you're free to do so using the available editing tools. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to and edited your Weebly blog post, keeping your content fresh and up to date for your readers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.